PCI DSS Requirement 8.5.1 states that multi-factor authentication systems will be implemented as follows. The multi-factor authentication system is not susceptible to replay attacks. The multi-factor authentication systems cannot be bypassed by any users, which includes administrative users, unless it's been specifically documented and authorized by appropriate management personnel on an exception basis and only for a limited period of time. At least 2 different types of authentication factors are used, and success of all authentication factors is required before access is granted. So what this means is that you're not allowed to use the same type of authentication factor twice, which means that putting in a password and then putting in a second password is not considered multi-factor authentication. What this also means is that when we do your assessment, we're going to have you show us your multi-factor authentication system, and we're going to be looking to see whether or not there are accounts, whether they're system accounts, application accounts, or individual user accounts that have the ability to bypass using multi-factor authentication. Now, if there is an account that's bypassing the use of multi-factor authentication, we're going to want you to show us where that's been documented, and we also want you to show us which management personnel approved this and for how long was that exception granted for. And then we're going to validate whether or not you've exceeded the time limit that has been authorized as part of that authorization. If you have any further questions about multi-factor authentication, please connect with one of our experts.